ChatGPT, can you let me know why Nvidia share prices has gone up so much this year? Okay, stronger earning than expected, 4-for-1 stock split, producing new graphics card, more demands for artificial intelligence. Wow, share price has gone up 24% yesterday. Wow, that's really good. Is it a good time to buy Nvidia stock? Doesn't look like ChatGPT can give me the right answer, but today we'll discuss whether it's a good time to buy Nvidia stock or not. Thanks for watching. Okay, this is the Nvidia technical chart. So we did see yesterday they had the earning report and it's better than expected. If you have a trading view account, you can see, click on this, is green. So when it's green, it's better than expected. So therefore 18% on their earnings and the revenue 10% higher. So we saw the gap higher. You see, when I say gap higher, you can see straight away from around 290 gone to 381, a fresh new all-time high for Nvidia. Is it a good time to buy? Definitely not. Do not fall into the FOMO habit, because fear of missing out is the one that will drive you to more losses than winners. Why do I say it's not a good time to buy? Investing is only one way to make money. Is to buy low and sell high. Current prices just made an all-time high. If you're buying it right now, you're hoping price to go higher. Hoping prices to go higher is not the right approach for technical trading. So I suggest you guys go on to a weekly chart. Have a look at this. Now picture is better because when it's weekly, you don't see the gaps. Now we do have the biggest weekly bar on this current weekly trend. You can see the weekly phase one has been way extended. When we see price action similar to here, a previous all-time high, when they have the biggest weekly bullish bar, momentum tend to shift. Okay. Could we see a little bit higher? Yeah, we could, but I'm not here to squeeze the last drop of it anyway. But longer term picture, I do see is a great timing to buy Nvidia. So where to? I mean, you can see last year we missed the opportunity from this inverted head and shoulder. Is a strong reversal pattern, and also the AD line was, you know, pointing to the right direction. We just made a new fresh high on the AD line as well. So could price correct back to this area to about 160? Anything can happen in the stock market, and we've been talking about the recession coming. So if the recession come, you know, would not surprise me, would have a 50% correction. And of course, if that come to the time that we see $160, I would not hesitate to buy Nvidia around this area. But one thing I do want to show you is a couple of things, right? You have to have a look at what the main index, S&P 500. If we go to like weekly chart, you can see we are still, I've been talking about this 4,200 area multiple times. We still can't clear it. So that is some weakness through here, okay? And then if you look at Dow Jones Industrial, which I'm gonna show you, it is still showing a lot of weakness out there. You can see it's a bearish weekly bar, breaking the previous weekly low as well. So Dow Jones not healthy. It's actually looking more bearish than anything. Russell as well, the Russell 2000, you see, wow, it's the high test bar on the weekly at the moment. So, you know, overall the stock market index is not that healthy. So I wouldn't chase like, because oh wow, Nvidia is producing the best chip for AI at the moment. AI is taking over the world, and I jump in and invest in Nvidia right now. So one more thing that we need to have a look at as well is the same sector stock. Obviously AMD is benefiting as well. We had a gap higher, you know, although they didn't have the earning, they had the earning beforehand, but we had a gap higher. Right now, this current price action is not that bullish, right? You know, if you think about it, this is just an abandoned area here. If we close the gap, certainly it's not that bullish. Could we push a bit higher? Certainly we could, but I'm not gonna chase. I might trade it intraday, but it's not top of my list at the moment. I never like to chase at the end of it. So you can see I have a blue box, well, the white box area around the $78 area. So if price retrace from 118, come back to this area, I will try and correlate with Nvidia. If they find support around the 160 area, maybe it's the time to buy. But currently, I will not chase the last bit of Nvidia. Do you guys have a different view to me? Please leave a comment below. Otherwise, see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching.